So I caught a little bit of gold. Well, I got a lot of gold yesterday. I caught that nasty drop, and then I caught a little bit this morning just from like, was it here? Let's see. Caught a little bit, then it kind of started trapping, so I pulled out. I pulled out when they broke the A range, so I took it from here to the A range, and I pulled out as soon as I seen it. I was like, yeah, it's trapping, so I pulled out. So I like to see it pull back a little more. I don't think that the real move is up. I do think they're gonna play with this trend, and that's a big deal, but then we also have a nasty trap right here that I can pull back down one more time. We'll probably end out pulling now and then come back up. So to 2010. So something like this. I see it doing this like now. Like coming up here 2010 and having a stop loss of close to 45. I'll probably say 45. Yeah, so 50. I wouldn't go any. I would wait for, if it goes further, I would probably wait for it to come here to 60. That's the goal. That's why I have that buy limit there at 60. But this thing couldn't take off now. But it's a nice trap. But we're gonna trade the trend right now. The trend is down. Well, it's consolidating, but it's gonna be down. Well, the trend on the higher time frames is gonna be pretty much. It's gonna be up. It's in the correction. That's why I'm not trying to buy it yet. I'm trying to wait to see what it does. It's in the correction. But I do see it dropping, so we're gonna trade with the trend. I do see it dropping though. That 1960 level is where I'm looking at. Let's see something. Yeah, 1960. So we're gonna let that drop a little further and see how it reacts to this right here, to this last low. I do have the buy limit there, so I want to see how it reacts before it goes back up. If we could just be patient on this, we're good to go. Yeah, what's good? What's going on, AP? So I mean, yeah, we gotta see it react here. We gotta see what it does here. So we're gonna wait a minute. But GJ, look at that GJ. I see higher time frame pushing down. So this is probably gonna react with GJ too. Let's see GJ. I see GJ pulling down in a minute. It's a crazy trap right now. So I see it pulling up here. Higher time frame BTS 154 355. And I'm just looking at these levels like I'm just being patient today because this news is insane. So I'm just being real patient. This guy be sitting in your hands. When you see that move, you're gonna know it's the one. You're gonna know. You're gonna see it. It's like, oh, they threw it to me. Because right now everybody's in a bullish market. Everyone's trying to buy. But if you really place everything up here, so if we come up here, hold on, right here, this level right here. So we don't even need to draw a trend line, but we're gonna draw one anyway. So we can put it right here on this EMA and stretch it all the way out if we want to. Right? And put it right on this 800. That beat go hard. Alright, so we got a lot of liquidity up here. We ain't gotta draw that line. We see that right here. We got a lot of liquidity up here. Everybody's up here. The 800 already telling us the story. We don't gotta draw that nonsense. So we see it. So we know they want to come up here. So we see rejection levels. We just got to pick the rejection level. We just got to make sure we can zoom in and see where they really rejected. Let's see where they really rejected. That's it. They pinned them up here. So we know that, hey, look, they can come up here. They pinned them pretty good up here. They pinned them up there. Bam, they pinned them. All wicks matter. All wicks matter. They pinned them up there. So in this area, they pinned them. It's a big deal. Yeah, it's a big deal. So you gotta know where your rejection is gonna be. The rejection area is gonna be at. So what I'm looking at is for this to push up. Trap day. So what I do as a market maker, I take them all out. I take them all out. I take off, hit up here, and shoot back down. So that's what I'm waiting on. So my move I'm waiting on right now, I'm just waiting for the market to react. So it's going at 440. So I'm trying to give it 25 minutes to see what they're gonna do. But my reaction, what I'm looking at is a selling. It's put a selling right here. Let them take everybody out. Well, and then take all the way down, all the way back down here. Pretty much Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. 1 to 4, just like that. I might even pull a little further, but I'm just waiting for it. So that's my markup on that. And then I already gave you guys the markup on the analysis to come back down. So when it hit down here, to come back up. That midweek reversal. But they on a say 4 hour. Yeah, so they got time to push. So I won't even they haven't even left the volatility bands. So if they leave the volatility bands, they'll push up here. They haven't even left it yet. So when they leave they're gonna leave the volatility bands. When they leave the volatility bands, they're gonna take off up here. So we're gonna definitely be patient on this. We gotta sit in our hands sometimes in case the right moves. Can't be losing money. We got FOMC and we got FOMC. FOMC, no joke. But let's see what they pull. See what they're giving us. They're not moving as much right now. They're definitely stalling. But yesterday night, when I gold dropped, oh my goodness, that was beautiful. I was just like, oh snap. Sitting there talking. I said, hey, what you looking at? I said, don't worry about all that right now. I got business to handle. I gotta look at this trade right now. Hold on. Look at this trade. We do got some swing trades I hit though. We're gonna check those out in a minute. We got some swing trades that popped up. We're gonna check them out. Alright, so GJ, where we at? Yeah, I see a nasty move. That's the first leg on the higher time frame. I'm gonna take this on the higher time frame, guys. So yeah, he was like, what you looking at, Ronzo? Don't worry about that. I got business to handle. Hold on. I need about 10-15 minutes to look at this chart for a second. I need to see the drop about to happen. Open market happening. I said, let me get that. Let me get that drop real fast. 154, 223. 154, 223. Right there. All right, 154, 223. Let's see what they do right there. I'm gonna hold on to that for a second, guys. I'm gonna wait for see how they react. But that's the push I see. That's the push I see. Yeah, it's up there. The OB's up there. It's up there. All right, yeah. Let DJ push for a minute. That 4 hour not done yet. I think it might look done on a lower time frame, but it's not done on this time frame. That's a big bully, and it's not too far from the shift either. So, and it's not too far from the aqua. Yeah, let's let it push. We're gonna catch that in a minute. See what they do. See what they do. They might. Let's see with 15. Let's see what they'll do. Maybe they'll vector down. They already vectored up, but I don't feel like that's gonna. They vectored up. Let's see how far they went. Catch this move on GJ. GJ gonna put out 200 pips. Watch. It's gonna smack out 200 pips. 55. So that means they went probably 20. Vectored out at 20. They pushed up 20. Yep. Just about 20's right there. Yep. They pushed up 20, so 75. Pip range. Pushed up 37. Pull back 40. High. From here to here. Pull back 40. Right back to a 50-50 bounce. Yep. 50-50 bounce. They give you the high, second high. We could take it first TP, 30, possible 60, lower time frame or high time frame 50 bounce. It's a long pull though. I don't know what's gonna happen. Yeah, they could hit this 400, hit this 800, hit the 800 and pull back. All right, let's see if they do that. Let's see if they do it. Let's see if they fill this candle. They pull down, fill the candle a little bit further, take it out, first and second high, come down, and take off. See if they do it. In the meantime, let's catch some of this gold while it's moving, before everybody starts trying to get in there and get trapped. Gold and UJ. Nope, let go. I was gonna get in it. Nope, let it go. I was gonna get for the sell, but it took off on me. I was getting that sell 1972. Yeah, we got 1960 buy limit, guys. So I kind of want to be patient on that, cause that's a good move. If we can catch this move, we're good. At the stop loss is 1945, so it's way down. It's right here, right down there. So we got a little bit of time with this thing drip. But I'm looking forward to hit right here one more time. Trap some of these traders and then take off. We already in the sell from yesterday. If you in it still, I'm still in it from yesterday. But the TP is 1958, so we almost there. So if you pulled out, I need you to go read Trading in the Zone. For real. Cause ain't nothing say pull out. What GA doing? Oh, GA setting up. A lot of traps happening. I like it. AJ. Oh, there it goes. There it go. There they go though. Bow. Looking good. There you go. First leg, second leg. If you can't see it. Bam. All right, let's see what they did. Shift, candle, boom. See if they give it to us. They're in the correction zone though. See if they give it to us though. All right, guys, let's check this out. Let's see. Cool, better entry. Alright, what is our stop loss? $25.50. Alright. Looks good. Alright, guys. And the gold trade still that. I hear you. Alright, I gotta see what they're gonna do. Gold is dipping, which is a good plus. It's a good plus. Still in profit on that. All right, so guys, I'm gonna buy AUDJPY. Buying AUDJPY. Buying AJ, buying AJ. Get the parameters in a minute. All right, I'm just calculating ADR. That's all. Trying to calculate this ADR so I can get this right. All right, so we got AJ. Mark this part. We might be able to go further than this, but we'll see. Let's see. We have AJ here. Moving pretty good. They went 48. So we get at least 25, 30. So push down here from the low. 13, 11. All right, cool. All right. All right, get the first leg. All right, there we good. Bam. Where am I at on this? Let's see where I'm at. 85.43. All right, so first TP, we got some 80. First TP is gonna be the top of that A range. I'm trying to make it there, top of that A range. We want to intraday trade this, so we can get first 20 out of it. It's trap day, right? It's first 25. 85.693. 85.693. That's AUDJPY. Hey Terrence, all those beats are in the Discord. If you go to music, they're on the Discord. All right, cool. We got AJ. Let that ride. Let that ride. We got a nice stop loss. So we're letting that stop loss nice and tight. It's real tight. Because if it passes that, it's gonna hit that correction down here. So let them fake. Yeah, just go to music channel on the Discord. You'll see it. You can't miss it. All right, so AJ looks alright. We do got a buy limit on NZD Cat. But before I do that, once I need to go check out this these swings. It is the beginning of the week. It is FOMC, so I'm looking to let some of these trades ride for a minute too. So in this time frame, I see it coming back up here. I see it coming back up here, pulling and filling this candle. But this is a long drop to the aqua. But you gotta remember, they can fill these candles. It's trap day, so filling these candles is what they're trying to do. What they're gonna try to do. But it does run with the gold too, Australian dollar. So gotta be mindful. We had, oh, they're all Euro pairs, man. See, I don't want to take those. Euro CHF. I don't want to take. I'm not probably gonna. Let's see what it looks like. It's probably trash. Oh, yeah, it's trash. Euro AD, probably trash as well. Euro AD, yeah, they trash. They trash. Yeah. But they got a mean correction coming though. They do got a mean correction. I'm not doing it, but they do got a mean correction coming. Yeah, they got a nice 200 pip. They got a mean correction coming. I think I'm about to take out everybody, but yeah, I'm not doing it. So, not messing with it. All right, so let's take a peek at AJ one more time. AJ. Should be alright on this thing. It's in the correction on the 1 hour. Broke the water. Has to pull back. Yeah, it's trapped there. They definitely trapping. Definitely trapping. 100%. So we got this low down here, guys. So if the lows don't take out that, well, our stop loss is right there. So if it takes that low out, we know where it's going. Which means you got to check the higher time frame out. So if they're putting us in profit and hanging us up here, come up here to the higher time frame to make sure that because they broke the water. Just come up here to the higher time frame and see if they threw you something for the correction for the BTS. But I don't see the BTS happening because they left the volatility bands here. And I just see it on 50-50 bouncing. So as long as this cuts through, as long as the price cuts through the stationary, then things take off. So let it play with a little bit. Let it do what it gotta do, play around. But it already left the volatility bands. So when this thing cuts back into the volatility bands, it's gonna take off. If it rejects, then we know it rejects and it hits our stop loss. If it rejects, but I don't see rejection too much. I don't see it too much because this is trying to. Let's see. So play it back real fast. Yeah, this thing's trying to take off. Yeah, it's trying to. It's trying to lift off. All right, let that hang for a minute. Let's see what they do. Because the worst they could do right now is throw us a super, and then that's a lower time frame BTS, which gotta be 30 pips. So let's see if it threw you a super and it ends up right here. Yep, they got enough room to take it. They got enough room. So if they throw a super, that's probably gonna be our cue to get out because it's probably gonna LC and cut through, which is we have to get out of that and take it the other way. So the worst they could do right now is super. If they reject this super on in 8 seconds. Let's see, they reject it. Sometimes they'll fill it and close, and then we're screwed, right? All right, so they rejected it. They rejected that super, so we should take off soon. Nope, they still rejecting. Nope, boom, boom, rejecting. Rejecting. So they're rejecting. They're ranging for a minute. Got a little ranging for a minute. But they rejected that super. That's important. So whenever you see them and you're playing vectors or whatever you're trying to play, even if you're playing some shifts and you see that happening and they reject your saw, so you know where supers are supposed to go, especially when they break the water. If they break the water, like, you should be like, all right, what do I need to do? I need to either wait to see what they do with the super, and if they're gonna probably come down because they got 50 pips. They have 50 pips in here. Bow. 60 pips to go. You know it can go that way because it's a super. It's a correct. They already broke the water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pull back. 3 sauce. TPs to that white line, which is down here on another time frame. Right there in the 1 hour. Bow. So you gotta see what's up. So this right here is the white line on the 1 hour. So don't be like, oh, it ain't gonna go there. That's the 1 hour right there. It's 1 hour with 200. Yeah, it's 1 hour 200. Yes, I love those exits. So yeah, so we rejected. So we should. I feel a little better now. I feel a little better that I see it rejected. But yeah, anytime you see that happening, they reject it. Let it reject. All right, so I don't know about y'all, but I'm smacking gold from yesterday's sale. I don't know about y'all, but I'm in it. I'm in there like somewhere, smacking this thing. So let AJ go. We're gonna actually see what GJ's doing because GJ should have been pushing. Yeah, because if AJ's pushing, that means GJ's pushing, which is what we want. We want GJ to push. Yeah, we want GJ to come right up here to the 800. Come to that 800. I'm gonna wait a little later to put a settlement out on there because I want GJ to push as high as it can go and take out everybody. And then when it goes there, that's when we'll take it. Because today's trap day. They're gonna trap them. They're gonna go with that trend, and they're gonna do a nasty pullback. Probably same day. They're gonna hit this today. They are going to hit this 800 today. What's this? Oh, they're hitting this today. This is 70 pips. This is breeze. This is normality right here. They're gonna hit this today. When they hit this 800, even if I don't call it out or something, if you don't see me call it out, are you seeing it? This is the area right here. 800 EMA 1 hour. When it hits that, that's the rejection. That's the trap traders. Look to your left. Look at Timmy Johnson. He trapped. Timmy's trapped, man. So how we gotta do it? That's how we gotta do it. So we gotta wait on that. What else we got out here? Let's see. What else we got out here? Got UJ. UJ. Make sure I have no power 50 on there. Yeah, it's got power 50. Alright, so you guys know doing power 50. I don't need to tell you. You know to look for a power 50. It's got power 50, so it's out of there. Power 50. Sure is. Wow. I will not be taking buys, but I will be looking for a sell. We're gonna look for that right now. Let's see what we can find. UJ. Let's do this. Because we're not gonna sell it right now because the yen is mad weak, and that 1 hour and 4 hour looking strong. So let's see. I think they're at their highs right now. Usually gonna be a nice little dip. Yeah, the daily got some time too. So the daily left the volatility bands. When the daily come back in the volatility bands, this thing is coming right back to 115 even, or 114 even maybe. They left the volatility bands, so we definitely gotta wait. So can I fill this? Let's see if they can fill this. Can I fill this today? Let's see. How many pips is this to fill it? It's 10. And where are they trying to go? UJ might be a good play. It's they highs? There we go. I was like, it can't be their highs. Alright, so how far until they reach this high? Got 90 pips. UJ goes 100 in a day. We'll see how many they win already. Then we got to add fundamentals to it. Let's see how far they went. They're ranging now. They're ranging. And they throwing the MES. So I'm talking about. UJ. Do your thing. All right. They should not go more than 50, right? So no more than 50. Oops. So they're gonna range out. They're gonna range out. So we go to the 5 minute, and they're gonna be going up. They're gonna go up. So we're gonna wait for the super to happen. Wait for the super to happen. Or sorry, the MES to happen. In 8 minutes. Because right now they're ranging. So if they range, what you're gonna do now? It's 10. They have to break 15 pips to break out of this. They went 58 pips in the A range, which means they're gonna range out. We don't want to play the blown out pair, so we don't want to play it too much. We don't want to play a little blown out. We wanted to kind of break out of here, so we won't chance it because they're kind of just ranging. They'll put you on profit, 15 pips, and then they'll take it away from you. If that, probably 11 pips and take it away. Or you can do your 8 candle rule if it shifts up, which it will because it's gonna create an MES, and they'll take off. Yeah. So we'll see what they do in 7.5 minutes. Let's do 7.5 minutes. But they went 58 pips though, so we just gotta wait a minute. Cause they exhausting. They want to pull back heavy, but I don't want to mess with it too much. I want to take it up. Cause I just seen the highs on this. I seen the highs on this thing. It's got 100 pips I can go. It's got 100 pips, so I mean I know it's far, but it's trap day. It's trap day, and this thing is looking to meet some highs. Yeah, we're gonna wait. We got 15 minutes on this, so 8 minutes, 6 minutes. Yeah, we'll wait. We'll wait on UJ. See what they do. We'll use 3 candle roll on it. Worst case. Meaning profit, you out of there. Now we'll do 8 candle roll on this. We'll do 8 candle roll on this. Because the aqua's right here. Boom, good. And the A range is way down here. So we definitely not using that. Stop loss gonna be underneath that aqua. So we got 5 minutes. We got to, as long as this candle closes, we'll do pretty good on there. 4 hour has power 50 cents. Yeah, we're gonna be. No, we're not gonna do this. Nope. Streams. Nope. Yeah, we're not gonna do that. We're gonna hang out on UJ. We're gonna wait for the wait for them to push some more. We'll just get into the sell. We'll get into the BTS. We'll just take the BTS. I'd rather pick the BTS. I'm not playing those super extremes. They look good though. See, that's trap they do to you. See? You see, have me all excited for a minute. That's what trap they do to you. They get your eyes like, no. I see what they're doing there. I've seen this play before. I see what they're doing to me. They're enticing me. They definitely are enticing me. Taking out charges for solicitation. For soliciting, baby. Out here soliciting, boy. Alright, let's get gold on another level. Since AJ's moving, so let's get gold on another level as well. So we're gonna hang out. Gold and silver. We'll take gold and silver. I know it's volatile, but we're gonna see what we can get into. If they let us. Alright, so gold setup on this call for London. It says you already probably got a buy limit there already. We're gonna do it again. We're gonna do a different one. We're gonna let it come to us. First TP, second TP. Use proper risk on this for sure. And we're gonna come down to there because it's coming to us. They might reach us. They might reach us on a session. Might reach us. So my thing is, I don't want them to really zoom down, come all the way down here, 1947. That's my thing. I know how gold likes to run. But I do see this right here happening. You check this 4 hour real fast. Yeah, I think we're alright. Oh, that's a bullish. That's way bullish. That's a big bullish. Where's that order block at? Hold on. Yeesh. Oh man, hold on. We might get some money off this. Hold on, guys. We might delete that other buy limit, the 1960. Hold on a second. We might make some. We might be done for the week off this move. All right, hold on. See where we at. There it goes. There it goes. I don't think it'll go that far. But it can go that far. 1960. Okay, so yeah. We good then. Let's let them react. Let's see what they do. Let's react to it. Let's see what they do. Let's see what they do. They're gonna hit there in the next like 10 minutes. Look like so. It's coming. It's moving. We do 1960. Again, and for London, we'll make sure we get some money off the London part of it. Since I already got the buy limit there again, but we're gonna do something on London for it. 1960. Actually, let's go a little lower. I'm gonna get in this trade. We gotta get into it. So now, let's do 30, 90, 100. Let's do 30. So 30. That 1962, 1963. TP. Buy limit is going to be 1960. All right, then a buy stop on the way up there. We wanted to surpass that. That's right. Oops, my bad. Alright, so I got the buy limit here. A couple times already here. Got it for London. This is our London trade here. So it's the London trade. And then when it hits back up here to 800, pulls back up to 4-hour aqua. Looking forward to take off and pull on. So looking forward to do something like this. Pull down and then just do a 50 bounce off the aqua. I don't see this, because if it corrects, I mean, it has to like take off. I mean, that's a long drop. That's a long drop. We all can do it, but it's a long drop. But it's definitely trapping. Definitely trapping. We got stop loss though. I don't see it coming all the way down there. Not right away. Gold pull back too nasty just to be doing that. The pullback game is crazy. So while I was doing all that pulling back, we just gonna be in profit. That's all. So on trap day, I mean, what you could do is pick your pairs and just hang out and trade them. So usually I just trade GJ, AJ, Gold, and I'll try to focus on just those three. I love AJ, I love Gold, I love GJ on the days I win. But AJ and Gold, I play them a lot. I play Gold all day on trap day. So I just sit there and I'll mark up every possible move that I see. Up there it goes, I'm gonna take that. Up there it goes, I'm gonna take that. I just trade the same pair over and over. Usually what I do on Mondays and Fridays. That way I can concentrate on them. Because everything else, you try to concentrate on too many, on trap day, you're going to miss the moves. And you'll be like, oh man, I could have got in. Like, for example, 1 hour Gold. You know, it looks crazy. It looks like, oh my goodness, it's gonna pull back. Well, yeah, it's going to pull back, but it still got some dropping room. The room can still drop. And then it can pull back. But it ain't hit the pullback zone yet because it ain't left the 40. So when it leaves that 40 and then it hits the 40, it comes back, does this right here, leaves the 40, and it come back. That's the pullback. So it ain't leave, so ain't no pullback coming unless you go to the lower time frame. That's where all the noise is at. So now it left it, and until it hit that 40, it ain't pulling back. It's gonna get you emotional. That's all. Right now, I think saying sell me. It says nothing about buy. It says sell me. When it hits down there, they'll hit the super extremes, and that by that time it hit our buy limit. And then it'll be really time to come back inside of volatility bands. And when they come back inside of volatility bands, they taking off. And when they take off, I'm opening up the Brinks back in the Brinks truck. Load my bags. Getting paid this week off Gold. I don't know what y'all, but I'm getting paid this week. About to get paid off these pairs. They want to play war? Let the war begin, man. I'm done trying to look at this news and read it. I'll listen to it, and it's fun to listen to. I'm like, dang, that's crazy. But I'm not trading with it. I'm like, look, if I see it, that's what I'm trading. Last week messed me all up. It knocked me all off my game. I'm over hyped thinking Gold about to go to 3,000. This thing, no. I'm seeing it though. My eyes were seeing it. My eyes seen it. And that thing, I was like, nah. The whole analysis I had, I was like, nah, I'm not doing this again. Not this guy. I missed 27K on that, guys. That's how I look at it. Sometimes you just gotta count what your lot size would have been, and you paper trade it. And I paper traded it, and that whole week, between all my accounts, we could have made a lot of money. Forex about making this money, so that's what we're here to do. All right, what's GJ doing? Let's see, AJ and GJ, or UJ. AJ looking good. Let's see, AJ looking good. Where we at, AJ? We in there? We out of that vector? All right, good. Good. Let's soar to the top. Let's soar to the top. Let's see what AJ holding for the week. Hold on, let's see what AJ holding for the week, guys. See what they doing. Nah. They're gonna hit some highs, but they can fill this candle though. We'll fill that candle. They'll fill that thing up. That's fine. I'll see what GJ doing for the weekend. They're gonna push. Yes. Keep pushing. Keep pushing because I missed my entry. I can't get in. I can't get in, so keep on pushing so I can get in somewhere. Oh, there it goes. Keep on. Come to that white line. Leaving the volatility bands. Oh, there we go. Here we go. It's coming. What's GA? GA dropping? GA trash. GA used to be it, man. I don't know what happened to it. GU too. I used to play GU. Used to be my go-to for years. I played GU. That was it. I used to play nothing but GU. Now it's just trash. It's worse than Euro USD. But it do got a lovely buy coming back though. That buyback looked nice. 200 pips. Ooh boy, that thing got a pull back on it. Jeez, let's see this. Hold on, this thing got a pull back coming from the 8 hour. Oh yeah, that thing got a nice pullback. Yep. Everything returns to the aqua. We know that, right? You know everything returns, no matter what pair you are. You got to come back to equilibrium. It's going to correct. 30-minute correction coming. 1 hour coming. Yeah, guys, just play every signature trade you have. Don't go against your rules. Every signature trade you have. AJ looks good though, so leave AJ as it is. Let's try to take off on this thing. Hopefully, be nice to take off on this thing. Get a 1 hour shift. Be nice. 30 minutes already occurring. That's a big deal. See it throw some sauce then. Was it 523? See it throw some sauce. Kill zone's coming up, and they trapping heavy though. They trapping so bad that they're not even moving the market to pull back to give sauce. They're just pushing. I said, we'll set them up. Let's set up GJ. Woo wee! That bad boy gone. It broke. That thing gone. That bad boy gone. I almost got this yesterday. I almost called this one out, the buy up. I was like, I'm kind of afraid. I was kind of like, I don't know, man. I wake up and this thing dropped to the floor because I know it's coming to the floor. I'll be upset. I don't know. We might call a live session for the whole week. All right, let's check it out. Let's see what Vibe 2 talking about. See if we matching up. My little guinea pigs. Bow. Yes, it is. Line it up. Get him. Get him. Bow. Here we go. Let's do it. Where we at? 152. See. Hold on 1 second. 54, 156. I had at 154, 5233. Yep. We there. Let's just do it. That's what it's talking about. Same deal. So as this moves up, this EMA clouds over. So 154. Let's do 200. Institutional levels. Some type of Fibonacci retracement's coming there, right? Some type's coming there. So that means a hit, reject, pullback. All right, so GJ, sell limit. Y'all was acting like y'all ain't want to help nobody. I said, all right, you know what? Don't even worry about it. I got y'all. Y'all ain't gonna know the difference. Y'all here for the cash. I dig it. 154. Here for the money. I ain't even mad about you. I used to sit in the audience too, like, yeah, let's just be quiet, man. Just give me the numbers so I can get this money. You know what I mean? Get this money real fast. Stop playing with me. It's too early for this. Stop playing with me. I used to be up in the audience like that too. I did. 30, 153, 900, 153, 900. Yeah, let's get this money. Two 966. Excuse me. We got 100 pip stop loss though, or close to 100 pips, so make sure you're using proper risk. It's gonna be a little longer of a trade, but this thing is gonna pull a little bit. It's gonna push and shove, so don't be using crazy lots on it. It's 100 pips, so use your risk, proper risk. All right, that's GJ. We got AJ going. We got gold. We're looking pretty good. What pairs y'all looking at? I mean, I got UJ marked up as a power 50 right here. What I'm talking about. I'm over. I knew it wasn't crazy. Got power 50 right there. We'll look at some AGB. See they doing AGB. Not messing with Euro, but it's good to know it's AGB. GA, GCat, G-Chef, GU. There we go. Complete that MES, boy. Give me that G-Chef, MES. GU. They about to fall to the ground. They about to just trip and fall. All these indices. NJ, nice. Cat J come on power 50. come up on power 50, Cat J. Usually let you try. You know why I also have that buy limit for gold is that it has a gap it has to fill. It's been gapping every open market since the war. It didn't used to do that a lot. Now it's been gapping pretty good. Gotta fill some gaps. I dig it. UMEX for the kill. Let's see what do UMEX do. See what they do. See what they do. Pull down. That's nice. I like this trade. I like that. UMEX. Whole lot. Until they pull back and go the other way, right? Silver. Ranging too. So are they lined up? Yeah, they're lined up. You chef falling to the ground. And J to the moon. You in this? You in this, NJ? You got MES. Bow. Take off out of the London boy. MES. You got 3 hours being profit. Let's see you about. You're only 7 pips behind. You good? Didn't break the A range yet. And you right back. You right on the aqua, so you good. Swish and Aussie AJ AGB. So CHFWY. These pairs are strong, man. But these pullbacks gonna be mean tomorrow. Or today too. They're gonna push heavy today. Ain't gonna lie, y'all. We might catch some New York reversals today. We might be catching some New York reversals. Yeah, we might. They happen about 11. About 10, 11. About 11 o'clock they happen. Might catch some nice ones. CHF is pushing though. I like UMEX though, but I'm AGB. I'm all about the AGB gang right now because, but it's falling. It's going drippy. See what the risk to reward is. Let's see if it's worth it on UMEX. It's 30 cents. 30 is 60, 100. Boom. It's not bad. I like it. What's the 4 hour doing? Ooh, a 3 sauce back here. 1, 2, 3. Still wasn't in. Yeah, you're in profit off that. So yes, it might complete. It might complete in profit. So you took it here. 1, 2, 3. Yep, in profit. Stay in the trade. Wow. It might complete. So let's take it off of the 1 hour. It's our entry candle anyway, which is nice. All right, I'm gonna do UMEX, guys. Nice little lot on it. Nice little something on there. I'm gonna sell a UMEX, USD Mexican peso. Oh, I gotta add it to my thing. So find it. All right, USD Mexican peso. I'm gonna take this too. I'm trying to find my spread on there. Get at least 1,000 pips off it, right? 1,000 pips, 27,8,772. 78,772. All right, here we go. It's Mexi Mex. All right, how y'all feeling about that? Y'all feeling pretty good? I'm feeling pretty good about it. I like it. I like AJ. Oh my goodness, look at gold. It's coming. It's coming down there. All right, keep your stop loss where it's at. It's at the top of that A range, so if it, let it play around for a minute. It plays off the 1 hour, so we got a little time on this. First TP is 1,000 points. Second TP is going to be, I think, like 4,000, close to it. All the way to the bottom. Looking forward to complete this BTS. That's on the higher time frame here. So it started here. The BTS is right here. This is your sauce right here. So broke the water for more than an hour and a half right there. Bam. Came back, 3 sauce. Entry candles right here. Bam. All right, 1, 2. It's the 3rd candle. They're in profit off that already. So they're in profit. So whoever took that, they're in profit, and they're looking forward to come back to this right here, this completion right here. This completion is pretty far. Yeah, so we got 2,000 points. So 1,000 points is our first TP. Second one is 2,000. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I don't mess with like that. I don't mess like that now. UMEX is faster than gold. Put it that way. This thing will shoot in 1 candle. Pum, 1,000 points. Too easy. 1,000 points, easy. You be done for the day. 1 candle. Yep, 1 candle, you be done. I love UZAR, UMEX, USD ZAR. Here you go, right here. Let me tell you all the ones I play right here. Let me put this up here. Snapshot this. This is the ones right here. This is gold on steroids. All these. These things are fast. My favorite ones: USD ZAR, USD Mexican, and USD NOK. Those two. Those two right there. I like Poland, but the NOK, Mexican, and ZAR are my favorite ones. Huff is fast. USD Ruby's in here, but I don't play it. Or USD Ruby is the most volatile one. I don't mess with it. USD Ruby is too fast. I'm not messing with it. If I'm not messing with it, you'll just USD Ruby, USD RUB. Just check it out, see how fast it is. I don't mess with it. I'm a fast trader, but I can't trade that fast. That thing be zooming. Can't mess with it. You think US 30 fast? Go check out your Ruby. Go check the Ruby out. You ain't never going to play US 30 again. Ain't never looking at US 30 or NAS 100 ever again. You be like, oh, it's like that. Yeah, let me get in there. Let me figure this pair. That's what you're gonna do. Right now, it's dropping to the floor because you're Russia. But yeah, this could shoot the one candle, guys. This thing can just go pew TP, just like that, one candle. All right, we have gold really just do that to us. Hold on, the gold really just do that to us. You gotta be joking, right? You gotta be joking, right? But you gotta be joking with me, right? You joking? You got to be kidding me. I'm gonna give it time. I'm gonna let it fill. I'm gonna let it fill. It still gotta open up another 20 minutes. We got 20 minutes in the candle. I thought it came to our it came right to our tippy toe. It literally did that. Are you joking? That was TP right there. Hit. First TP was hit. That's all right. They got 20 minutes left. It'll do it again. It'll refill. It'll repeat this right here. I'm looking forward to repeat this right here. This exact right here. This exact trap traders, and you really got it. Would have got it right here, but instead of we're getting a little early because this move right here is gonna come off of the 5 minute down here. It's called the 5 minute right here. So you let them do it. But yeah, they did do that. Dang. And I almost did 1960-50, but I was like, nah. All right, those fit that 0.50 makes sense. You gotta let it ride. You can let it be. But let me give you guys a little gem on this stuff real fast before I hop off. Let me show you something. When you playing these pairs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of y'all on here. All right, so when you playing these pairs, right? And yeah, AJ looking good, man. I'm enjoying this AJ one. So when you're looking at these pairs. Let me go to exotics. No, let me go to exotics, yeah. Alright. We could play any pair we want the way we play, like trade it anywhere. It doesn't matter if it's gold, if it's exotic, it doesn't matter. You play the same signature trades. The only thing that's gonna be different is the vectors, but guess what? Vectors happen all day long. Alright. This is a vector right here. They vectored to the low and they took they came back up. So vectors happen all day long. We just trade them 2 a.m. to 10 a.m. because that's the best time to find them. Get the first 2 pushes. But when you see something like USD Mexican, right? And you come to this chart, you're like, man, it's not giving me an entry. It gave you an entry. It's gonna give you an entry. So when you come to this chart and you see it you see them breaking water here, like you see, like, you know what, this is a correction. The correction's near, and you see that it can come here. All right, look to your left. You see that there's a lot of money right there. There's a lot of money right there. We don't need the support resistance lines because the EMA is already giving it to us. But remember, anytime you're trading to the EMA, that's your target. So anytime you're trading, that's always going to be your main target. So we're going to break it down to checkpoints, half and half. First half is going to be the first TP. Second half is going to be to that your final TP. But you're always playing it to the EMA when you're trading against it, the trend. So when you see this happen, they got in a 4 hour here. So whoever played this got in probably BTS. They broke the water, they pulled back. When you know it can come here, based off your signature trade, you know it can come here. They gave you an entry on the 1 hour, but you gotta look and see, all right, well, what did they do to the traders over here? They broke the water back here. They did a lot of rejection, and they finally took them out. They took them out, bam, and then they came back up here and they stop hunted. So they stop hunted up here. They trapped them up here. So we gotta take account on these wicks up here. Like, you gotta take account, like, where they last trapped them right there. They last trapped them right there. That's the last trap right there. And then they created a signature trade for us. So now they created this. Look where we are. They are completely gave us an LL. all up on that aqua, looking great. That's how we want it. So it gave us that. So that'll be the entry right here. So that would have been the entry 1, 2, 3. Now, are we in profit? Well, depending on spread, you'd have been in profit depending on your spread, because the candle would have opened up and it would have boosted your spread. So now you've been in profit. So 1, 2, 3. Now you're in profit. So now what you're saying is staying in the trade. So guess what, guys? Stay in the trade until you see your exit, which is got to be up here. That's why the exit is up here, and the exit is not that far, but I'm putting it up here because I'm only putting it above this high, because I'm not trying to go that, try to go that high on there, because it's pretty volatile. But this thing right here is looking to come down here, so it can hit TP1 1,000 points, and then it can just pull back and shift up because news, fundamentals. But get your 1,000 points, put it in profit, and then roll on. Today's trap day, so take your money. So you get the 1,000 points, take off with it. But that's how you want to look at these pairs when you come here. They gave you the 1 hour entry. Looks great, cool to go. We really wanted to be up here, but it happens. We got in. We want to get in the way up here. Really, we want to get in when they first start crossing. But it's a little risky getting when they first start crossing too, because you want to solidify it. You know what I'm saying? But this is the true candle you want to get on. And then you have the 4 hour. And when they just start coming down, let it be. They'll come down here. They're gonna come down here. They'll come down here, and if they don't, guess what? They're gonna shift the opposite way and come up. But they trap these traders up here, so they definitely trap. But definitely look to see where they're looking at. So you got your LL 1, 2, 3. I'm in profit. Cool. Stay in the trade. So if I saw this BTS, I definitely took this thing out to the gods. Bow, right down there. All, you know what I'm saying? All bearish lives matter. All sell lives matter. I'm taking this thing down, all the way down. So that's looking good. Gold really is bouncing. Like, are you kidding me right now? Like, are you kidding me right now? Come down one more time. Stop hunt. I need you to stop hunt one more time. But as you max, we'll see what you have doing. You Huff doing his thug thizzle. Throwing his thug thizzle. Yep. I haven't showed y'all the seventh sauce candles, the 7th and 8th one. I ain't show y'all yet. I'll show y'all when you get the OG right. Too soon. Nah, I'll show y'all eventually. Look at this. USD Poland looking good. Sheesh. They all coming. They all got a correction. Alright, so I'm going to say all of them got the correction. USD Singapore, nope, don't have it. USD ZAR, nope, don't have it. Poland has it. USD China, nope, don't have it. USD China got a power 50 though. Ooh, I ain't know all that. Why didn't I mark that one up? I'm tripping. They got power 50. They got the power 50 coming. So let's see what they got. Oh yeah. Power 50, they hit it. Power 50, they hit. They ain't come out the band. They ain't come out the bands though. And they come out the band, but they have their super extreme. But the 4 hour did though. That's cool though. That's good to know. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna leave it on that. So let's run through these again. Mexican peso looks pretty good. It's gonna pull back a little bit. It is what it is. But we got off this 1 hour right here. So let it do what it do. Let it do what it do. I think my spread is like down here, literally down here. My spread, ridiculous. All right, we got AJ. Looking good. Looking pretty good. AJ looks good. We pretty strong on AJ. Pretty strong on AJ. And gold, we just waiting for gold. Waiting on gold. I just threw another pending in there, so you guys look at the pending trades. Those pendings, NZD CAD and I think it was AD CAD I threw in there. Just check them out. Yeah, gold really just like tippy toe to us. But I'm not 160, 1960, yeah. I'm gonna let it be. UJ pushed pretty good. UJ pushed pretty good, but I'm not messing with it. Yeah, gold really just like pinned us, like really. Like you just missed us. TP1 got hit. That would be nice. That'd be a nice little scalp on the way up. And then we could have hit him with again. Another one. Yeah, they gotta fill this candle though. So they got 10 minutes, and they'll probably do another one. Come down here, and then they'll start trying to do bullish. Yeah, so just let it be. I'm gonna keep 1960 where it's at. I don't trust those spikes. They trapping today. AJ looks good. I'm liking it. I'm loving it. Loving it. UMax. If UMax give me 1,000 points, I'm honestly done for the day, y'all. And I'm in this gold trade with him. I'm done. I'll be done. We'll be hanging. It'll be nice on trap day. But here's the keys on trap day, guys. Find your pair. Find what you like about it. Trade that pair. That 1 or 2 pairs. Trade that pair. I trade gold, AJ, GJ on trap day, 'cause I know like how they move. And the pairs I play throughout, I can play everything, but I play gold all day long, so all day long. Like definitely trade it. But I play gold all day. So trade them. Like don't try to play everything on trap day. Trade what you like, trade what you see, but find your pair. But anytime I trade trap day, I just find my pair. I got gold all day. That's like the #1 pair all day. Fridays and Mondays, I'm 100% playing it. Throughout the week, I can play everything because I'm looking for what they're giving me. But for Mondays and Fridays, I can play gold all day. So find that trade, find that pair you can play all day. All day. That's what it is. It's about playing the same pair all day. 90% of my history, what it is. Yeah, I'll be done on 1,000 points. Yeah, well, I'll be done. I'll be done though. I'm testing something, so I have to be done. I'm testing, so I gotta be done today. I got 45 days of testing, so yep, I'll be done. I gotta click an account. My main account, I'll be done. Yeah, well, I gotta click it, so yeah. But my main account, when I make my percentage, guys, I'm done. That's why you gotta click the accounts. That's why you get those accounts. When I make my main accounts, I'm done. Like I'm out of there. Like I don't touch nothing. My main accounts don't see extra stuff. I'll preach that. I live by it. But when I click it, that's what's the point of being to click it. So I ain't gotta worry about, oh, I missed it. I missed the trade. I ain't missed nothing. I got a whole other account for that. Got a whole other account for that thing. I ain't missed nothing. FOMO, ain't no FOMO over here. There is no fear of missing out over here. I'll get my fix easy. That's how you gotta do it, for real. My psychology's on point, but you gotta, we're human. We don't want to miss out. I get it, but if you have an account for it, what's the difference? You gotta have the account for it. That's why I say just 7 counts. Shoot, I'm looking for some swing trades though today, so I'm looking for some swing trades today. So probably tonight. Look for some swing trades tonight. Yeah, AJ about to take off. Look for that. That vector look nice. See what's that vector looking like? That vector looking good. AJ with that vector. Yeah, gold is definitely teasing Demetrius, but I'm not even gonna let it's trapping. I ain't even gonna get it. I'm not gonna get it. Cause I know it's trapping. It's gonna pull up, pull down, and pull back up. There you go. Vector down. Boom boom. It's clockwork, baby. Clockwork. We have to come up here though. 80. Yeah, we need to come up here. 85, 693. Yeah, we need to come up here though. So we get to the top of this A range. Top of this A range. Use the KC as your use the KC as your X on this. Because if it rejects, it's gonna scare you. Pull down and reject. So use the KC for this. Because you're in profit. So, but you gotta have 8 candles in profit. So you gotta be. Don't use it too early. I mean, if you want to, you can't use it early, but you gotta see where we at. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. So yeah. After this candle, the next candle gotta close in profit, and then once that 8 candles completed, just use your KC. But by that 8 candle being completed, we should be at TP1 by then. I mean, yeah, we should. Straight up. So we should be good on that TP1 soon. And then you got USD Mexican, so let that drop a little bit. See, they don't want to do with that. See, they want to do with that dropping. Remember, guys, in your funded accounts, $200 a day. Come on now. 25 trading days. $200 a day with 25 trading days. Think about it. All right, so there goes gold. Now it hit us in profit. Now it hit us. Now we just gotta see how far they're gonna drop on us. But that's how it is, though. Just $200 a day and you fund it. Just keep it that mentality, just like that. $200 a day. You know, what would my job pay me? About 200 after taxes, right? Just about. The average job pays you about 200 after taxes. Depending on, if you make 20 an hour, if you make 30 an hour, depending on that. But if you make 30 an hour, you're gonna make 20 an hour. They're gonna cut you and they're gonna smack you with taxes. Just the way it is. The way it is. So definitely, yeah. It's the way it is. But yeah, just, when you're day trading, just like, hey, what can I double my income? How can I double my income? So look at what you make now and try to double that. That's all you gotta do. So hey, if I could try to make that income trading, and then double it. That's how you gotta do it. That's how you gotta do it. You make 30, you make 40, all that good stuff. 50. Just say, hey, look, if I make that 40%, take 40% of that amount away per hour that you would make, and then that's how much you would, because they take 40% taxes out. So take 40% away, and then try to make that in the market. That's like your goal. Make that in the market. That's all it is. Yo, gold bussin'? Yeah, it is. So yeah, she said, why would I go? What you mean, why would I go there? I don't get you. I don't get you. Everything looking good. I'm giving you the key to success, man. That's how I had to do it. That's what I did. That was my mentality on it. That's what I had to do. Like, how can I double this? I had to break it down. Yeah, sometimes you gotta break down them numbers. Sometimes these look better on paper. Post it to your wall. That's what I did. It's like, all right, $200 a day. There I'm going. In the market. Bam, done. Just think about it. You wake up in the morning right now, and then you're done pretty much now, or, you know what I'm saying, next 2 hours, you're done. And that's it. So when you in this, you're not trying. You leave it. You say, hey, I want to leave a 9 to 5. You don't leave a 9 to 5 to go to a 24/7. Like, some people like leave their 9 to 5, and then all of a sudden they're in the market like 24/7. Like, you don't gotta be in the market 24/7. You know what I'm saying? Some people just have their main accounts and extra accounts. So, like, don't try to be in these markets all day. Take your money, roll on. Now, if you swing trading, that's different. Because today, I'm going to look for some swing trades. I'm going to put them out. And I'm trying to get some swing trades this week. I'm trying to let them ride for the month. For this month, I'm trying to, like, wherever the market takes me. If I'm 70, 80 pips in profit, I'm putting that break even, take some money, and I'm letting it ride. But don't be in these markets all day. All right, one more time. Let's check on USD Mexican. So make sure it's not going to double back on us. Gold looking good, though. Gold looks pretty good. Go hit TP1, perfect. But it still got room to drop, though, so if he's still coming back to 1960s, all right, so don't rule it out. So take some money, and if it hit 1960 again, go ahead and hit it again one more time. If we go back to entry, place the entry again. Roll on with it. Yeah, it looks good. Look good. All the dollars good. USD Mexican looks pretty good. Yeah, it looks good. Yeah, it's good to go. It's good to go. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Yep. I don't think I'm that far. I think I'm like right here. Yeah, other than that, guys, that's all I have. Yeah, like I said, if gold come back, hit it again. That's all it is. Hit it again. Come back to that entry, hit it one more time. Cause this thing has the potential to like spring up and just take off. Like, you know how it do. It'll go ahead, put you in profit, and then next thing you know, you wake up, I think at 19.20, and then you looking like, what in the world? I was just in profit. For real, for real. You know how that works. You know exactly how that works. Happened to us many times. That's exactly what I've been setting my mind to do. Hit a few. Yeah, swing trading. Yep. That's what I'm trying to do. But we up a good 40 pips from gold though, so we in there, man. Don't, like I said, today trap day, so take your money. Don't, you know what I mean? Don't go crazy on it. You can go crazy. Now, if you love trading trap day, hey, go for it. I don't love trading trap day. And as much as I want to hold gold to the top, I do see the potential of it dropping to 1945. I do see it. But right now, what I'm looking at, this thing coming trying to pull up. But if it drops 1945, you best believe that we gonna take that. Best believe that. We gonna find that. 1945, we definitely taking that joker. But I mean, it's trap day, so we don't know what they're gonna actually do. Oh yeah, AJ just had. Yeah, I just literally just. I'm about to make it. I'm trying to see if it hit this A range. That's why I wasn't getting off yet. I'm trying to see if it hit this A range while we can try to make it risk free. But they trying to act up a little bit, trying to do too many pullbacks. That's what I'm talking about. I mean, yeah. Whatever you playing, just take some off the top. You know what I'm saying? Whatever you just take some off the top. It's trap day, guy. Don't go crazy. Just try, play what you see. Um, take some off the top. Take some off the top here, and then just let it. I mean, you can let the rest of it ride. I mean, let it play out. Like, don't move your stop loss. Don't put it in. Don't put it in. Don't put it in like break even. Like, let your trade play out, but take some off the top. You know what I'm saying? That's if you break even, it is what it is. But take some off the top, and then let it ride. To your TPs, and just do it that way. Like I said, it's trap day. Like, we know what today is. We're not even supposed to be in the market, but we trading anyway. I mean, at least I'm trading anyway. I ain't supposed to be in these streets, man. I ain't got time to be in these streets. I'm supposed to be asleep one day, but I wanted to get a little something in because FOMC is Wednesday, and I might have to sit on my hands Wednesday because if they break out the way they looking like they're gonna break out, I ain't messing with it. I'm just not messing with it. I'll be like, look, I ain't trading today. Straight up, I'm not messing with it. I like my account too much. So the AJ looks good though. Like, take some money and then let it continue on. And then USD Mexican peso. Hey, we looking good on that too. That BTS leg is gonna complete. That counter trend is gonna complete. Looks pretty good. Boom! Look at that thing. Look at that thing. Look at that thing. Do your dance, you Max. Do your dance. You your daddy son.
Hey,
You your
bro, real
daddy
quick.
son. What up?
Hey, you know how to make it risk free on your laptop? I know how to do it on my phone, but not my laptop.
A what?
You know how to make it risk free on your laptop?
On your MT4?
Yeah.
Yeah, just drag that drag the drag the stop loss and put it in front of the take profit on the MT4. It should be a line that allows you to drag it. So go to your entry and then drag it above. So if you click on your entry, and yours might be invisible because you might not have it set to where it's visible.
Oh no, I got it up. You said drag my stop loss in front of my entry?
Correct.
All right.
And then it should tell you how much you should sell.
Oh boy, you shouldn't have told me that.
So there you go. That's how you do it.
Thank you, brother.
Indeed. I might not trade MT4, but I don't. I used to trade MT4 all the time until I discovered trading. I said, "Oh, I ain't never going back to MT4." I said, "I ain't never going back." But I used to trade MT. I used to be the man on that thing. Not no more. I couldn't tell you. I do a little something on there. People be like, "Oh, you can do this and that." I'm like, I don't know what you talking about, but if it ain't trading view, I don't know. I'll be 100% honest. I don't know. If it ain't trading view, don't ask me. But I did show y'all how to make y'all stuff, right? Like, so if you come here, and for example, like I got come here, on the box, and you box it up like that, and then you double click it, and you type in, Trap Traders or Timmy Johnson, whatever you want to, and then you go to template and you save it. When you save it, whatever you save it as, it pops up, makes you do homework a little faster. You know what I'm saying? So helps you out. Helps you out if you want to box things up, or if you want to put like liquidity lines, whatever you want to do. However you want to do it. But it helps you save it. Like I got vectors, for example. I use this, and if it pushes down, like, oh, there it goes. I'll double click it. I ain't got to type it because I'm too lazy. I go to vector, boom, I'm good to go. It's too easy. So that's how you do it. Yeah, you can. Yep. I got one broker with TradingView. Got one broker, so you can go trade. Yep. Yep, you can trade. You can trade. So you go here. You right click Terrence, right? And if you had a broker, your broker will allow you to like pick from selection. So you can go to uh trade. Go to trade, and you can go to buy. You know what I'm saying? You can do all that stuff. Create a new order, all that good stuff. So you can trade out TradingView. Yep. Yep. They're regulated brokers, so. Other than that, guys, enjoy the day. I'm gonna see y'all later on. I'm gonna chill. I'm gonna relax. I made some money for the call. I'm waiting on gold to do its duck dizzle. Let it go up a little more. I'm probably gonna place a small entry at his. I'm gonna probably place a small entry right now again on gold. In the event it don't pull back. Yeah, I'm gonna just do like a little small entry on gold. Yeah, try a little something. Just in the event that it don't, because it looks like it's rejecting the volatility bands on this. Yeah, so I might, and we're good on this in general. Like we're good on this in general, but hit TP1s. We 40 pips in profit, and it's looking like it's, yeah. So I'll probably put a little something on there and let it ride. I ain't gonna go crazy on it though, cause it's man. I wake up when this thing at 1940, I cry. Oh no. So we'll see what's up. But it's up 50 pips though, so it's up 50 pips. Other than that, y'all have a good day. He gonna cry in the car, right? Yeah, I say that. I'll be upset. I'll be crying, bro. I'll be like, yeah, I'm done. Y'all enjoy the day. I enjoy. Appreciate y'all.